Welcome to the InterContinental Tahiti Resort and Spa. I'm Jo, your mid-range travel expert. In today's walkthrough, we're going to be giving you the full experience. From our ocean view room and tropical breakfast to Polynesian night magic, pools, turtles, and some of the overwater bungalows. Let's dive in. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by an open-air lobby that sets the tone. Breezy, tropical, and with panoramic views of the lagoon and Moorea in the distance. Off to the side is the lobby bar, a peaceful place to grab a drink, journal, or just take in the scenery, especially during a gorgeous sunset. We stayed in an ocean view room, where comfort meets charm. There's a king bed. The real showstopper, though, is a private balcony with the views of Moorea just across the water. Whoa. So that pool, one of them is closed. And as you can see here, in a few months, there's going to be an amazing pool that you can go to very easily from this room. But for now, it's a construction site. The bathroom is clean and functional. There is only a shower here, so no tub. The views from the balcony were just absolutely beautiful, especially during sunset where you can see the trees and Moorea. And my favorite, the crazy pool construction. We opted for room service. We got octopus salad, ribs, and a club sandwich. Room service was quick and a decent price for being in a hotel. Now let's check out breakfast. There's a lot of seating and it faces what's supposed to be the pool, but right now a construction site. The breakfast buffet was quite impressive. Fresh omelet station, fluffy pancakes, and amazing French pastries. There's also island staples such as poisson cru, papaya, and even a banana dessert called poi. We actually made that in Moorea during our cooking class. Here's the beautiful view we were looking out at during breakfast, but normally it's a lagoon and a nice pool. This is where the Polynesian shows take place. On Wednesday nights, they feature the Marquesas night. You can enjoy dinner with a performance under the stars, complete with traditional drumming, fire dancing, and island storytelling. At the end of the video, there will be more clips from that evening. It's magical. In the evening, the Tiki Bar comes to life. This is the best place to unwind with a tropical cocktail before the Polynesian Show. You can actually see the Polynesian Show from here. This is where Nate watched it. Even though we were there during construction, we didn't hear too much of it. And even if there were, the resort was big enough that you can go to many different spots to relax and not be bothered by it. So hopefully when you go and visit, it'll be all ready to go. Just a short walk over from the main area, you'll find the resort's own Lagoonarium, a natural saltwater habitat where you can spot tropical fish, coral, and even some sea turtles. Oh wow! They have t-shirts on! That's so cute! The sea turtles are even wearing t-shirts. It was so adorable. You can bring your own snorkel gear or just enjoy from above. That's what we did. It's peaceful, educational, and absolutely worth a visit. As we walked along the paths, we noticed that there were overwater bungalows in multiple areas. The grass looks really pretty. What's that? Oh, that would have been cool.
Why didn't they do the show there? How more authentic would it look, you know?
Yeah, that's stupid. Even if you're not staying in one, they're beautiful to see close up, especially with Moorea in the background. The price of the bungalows at the InterContinental are quite pricey. You can actually get better priced overwater bungalows in Moorea, so consider that if you are planning a trip to Tahiti, but if this was your only option, it is really pretty. Trying to get the channel to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can, like and subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're visiting French Polynesia, you definitely want to subscribe and watch some of my other content. If you're planning to go to Moorea, my video, Sofitel versus Hilton, is a great watch. Since the main pool is closed, there is another one on the resort that is absolutely amazing, and it's the sand bottom pool. If you're staying where we were, it was a little bit of a walk, but not horrible, but the resort is so big that you might actually be located closer to this if you're in one of the other buildings. And if you're wondering, is there beach access on this beautiful resort in French Polynesia? The answer is going to surprise you. No, there's not a traditional beach here. Like many of the properties in Tahiti, the shoreline is made of volcanic rock, coral, and reef. It's beautiful, but it's not ideal for lounging or wading in. To make up for it, the InterContinental has created a soft, sandy area by the pool and the lagoon. So you still get that barefoot in the sand vibe without needing to be in a natural beach. The pool is an infinity vibe, so as you look out while you're swimming, it does feel like you're actually in the water looking out at Moorea. So whether you're here for a honeymoon, a stop before Moorea or Bora Bora, or just looking to soak in that laid-back island luxury, the InterContinental Tahiti delivers with charm, culture, and some seriously unforgettable views. Again, if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. We'd love to help you plan your trip. And as promised, stay tuned. Up next is a clip from the legendary Polynesian Night Show. You're not going to want to miss it.
Because